Stop scrolling. Police Grow Light if your smoothie bowl looks healthy, but your weight isn't moving. You're doing this wrong. One ingredient mistake can turn this into a sugar bomb. Most smoothie bowls fail because they're loaded with fruit, honey, and nut butters. That spikes sugar, kills fat burn, and leaves you hungry again in 30 minutes. If your smoothie bowl doesn't follow these 3 rules, it's not for weight loss. White heavy checkmark high protein, white heavy checkmark high fiber crossmark low sugar. Blend this. Leafy green spinach, cucumber, avocado, quarter avocado, spoon plant protein, or Greek yogurt droplet water, or almond milk. This keeps calories low but fullness high. After workouts, try this. Strawberry frozen berries spoon protein powder bowl with spoon chia seeds glass of milk unsweetened almond milk protein switches on fat burn while you recover. Craving sweets? Do this instead. Chocolate bar cocoa powder spoon peanut butter powder bowl with spoon Greek yogurt or soy yogurt strawberry a few berries zero guilt. No sugar crash. Top smart or don't top at all. White heavy checkmark seeds, nuts crossmark granola, honey, dried fruits, instant fat traps. Best time? Heavy checkmark breakfast, heavy checkmark post-workout crossmark late night. That's where fat storage happens. Eat smoothie bowls this way and you'll stay full, control cravings, and burn fat, not store it. If you want real weight loss without starving, thumbs up like this video, bell subscribe to flip fit yourself speech balloon comment, bowl, and I'll drop my 7-day smoothie fat loss plan.